I don't know how you guys do this. Jesus. I've never had to put more than 2 shirts on in my entire life. How's it going, everybody? So we got some stuff to do today. Most importantly, we need to install a mailbox, so we're going to do that. But yeah, let's just go do that. Forget the rest of the stuff for this video. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Something's blowing in the wind. I have a sense as you can tell. Merry Christmas. Oh no! All right. So I got my drill. Has power, but it's a quick disconnect, and the screws I got isn't quick disconnect bit. It came with its own bit, and I might not be able to use this. Let's go ahead and load the shovel and all that, get the Jeep ready, load it in there, and then see what we have in the back of the Jeep and see what we might need. How smart am I? That's exactly what I need. All right, so this is gonna have to get assembled, and I don't want to do it in the cold. So let's bring some of this stuff inside and try to bolt the bracket to the mailbox, and hopefully that's okay. Oh shoot! There's like dogs and deer. Anyways, well, let's take this inside and take a look at it. Try to stay warm as long as possible. It's cold enough to where I feel like I'm starting to slur my words because my lips and skin doesn't move as fast as it should. All right, everybody, the mailbox is done. I missed some clips, but it is what it is. We're now moving on to the next project, so thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Hey, you guys see that? See, it's all over my face. Gosh, it's everywhere. Can you see it? God, it's biting me. Oh, I hate this cold.